In this tutorial we are going to learn about basic concept of program and its logic. Programming languages. A program is a set of instructions that tells a computer what to do in order to come up with a solution to a particular problem. A programming language is a language designed to communicate instructions to a computer. There are two major types of programming languages: low-level languages and high-level languages. Low-level languages. There are two categories of low-level languages: machine language and assembly language. Machine language, or machine code, is the only language that is directly understood by the computer, and it does not need to be translated. All instructions use binary notation and are written as a string of ones and zeros. Technically speaking, this is the only language computer hardware understands. However, binary notation is very difficult for humans to understand. This is where assembly languages come in. An assembly language is the first step to improve programming structure and make machine language more readable by humans. An assembly language consists of a set of symbols and letters. It can be called the second-generation language since it no longer uses ones and zeros to write instructions, but terms like move, add, sub and end. While easier than machine code, assembly languages are still pretty difficult to understand. This is why high-level languages have been developed. High-level languages. A high-level language is a programming language that uses English and mathematical symbols, like plus, slash, percent and many others, in its instructions. When using the term programming languages, most people are actually referring to high-level languages. High-level languages are the languages most often used by programmers to write programs. Examples of high-level languages are C++, Fortran, Java and Python. Machine-level language can be directly given to computer, whereas assembly-level language programs can't be directly given to computer. Assembly language programs are translated into machine language by a program called an assembler, and then this machine code can be given to computer. Also, high-level languages programs can't be directly given to computer. Programs written in high-level languages are translated into assembly language or machine language by a compiler, and then this machine code can be given to computer. There are a huge number of programming languages to choose from. In this tutorial we will learn about C language. C is a general-purpose, high-level language that was originally developed by Dennis M. Ritchie. Let's get started. We will start with our first program, that is to print "Hello World" on our computer screen. This code can be compiled using any compiler. Here I am using an online compiler. Your compiler may be different, but at last it will give same output as mine. Make sure to subscribe. To be continued.